everybody for a new episode of College Review. Today we are with you with another campus tour. Today we are in S. Vyasa University, which is deemed to be university. This university was established in 1975. They do have two campuses. One is in Jigani, second one is a city campus, which is known as the R.R. Nagar Mysore, which is located in the R.R. Nagar Mysore road. Nearest metro station is Patangiri, next to the RV University. RV University is nearby, which is very famous university for the engineering course. This university is NAC A+ grade university, category 1 university. बहुत कम यूनिवर्सिटी को आपको देखने को मिलेगा कैटेगरी 1 यूनिवर्सिटी. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द रैंकिंग्स, this university has KSURF 4 star rating university. About the course curriculum and all, we'll talk about the faculty of this university, we'll talk about the students, we'll see the campus around here, we can know about the fee structure of this university, course curriculum, and the most important strength and weakness. देखिए स्ट्रेंथ तो कोई भी बताएगा, वीकनेस शायद कोई ना बताए. आज हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के स्ट्रेंथ एज वेल एज द वीकनेस पे भी नजर डालने की कोशिश करेंगे, सो दैट यू कैन नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस यूनिवर्सिटी. आज हम जिस कोर्स की बात करने जा रहे हैं, MBA कोर्स है. MBA कोर्स काफ़ी पॉपुलर है इस यूनिवर्सिटी का. आज हमारे साथ है हर्षिता एंड शुक्षिता. आज हम बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे, दोनों हमें असिस्ट करेंगी, दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे, इस यूनिवर्सिटी को जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, घूमने की कोशिश करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी का एक एक पार्ट. ये वीडियो उन बच्चों के लिए है जो बेंगलोर सिटी में नहीं है और जो विजिट करना चाहते हैं बहुत सारे कैंपसेस. शायद इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में पता कर सकें, जान सके यूनिवर्सिटी का कैंपस कैसा है, यूनिवर्सिटी के क्लासरूम्स कैसे हैं, यहाँ की फैकल्टी कैसी है, और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ का क्राउड कैसा है. बिफोर starting this video, I would like to request you, if you want to fill the form of this university, you can have coupon code. With that coupon code, either you can fill free of cost form or 50% discounted forms. If you want to talk to the students, current year students or the pass out students, you can have the number also, so that you can connect directly to the students and get to know each and everything about this university. देखिए ये बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ते हैं, इनसे बेहतर आपको इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में शायद ही कोई बता सके. उन्होंने यहाँ पे अपना 1 साल 2 साल दिया है, उनको पता है यहाँ फैकल्टी कैसी है, उनको पता है यहाँ का प्लेसमेंट कैसा है, किस तरह की कंपनी क्या प्लेसमेंट लेके आती है. उनसे बेहतर आपको शायद ही कोई बता पाए. सो नीचे स्क्रीन पे एक नंबर दिया हुआ है 9891898289. डायल दिस नंबर और व्हाट्सअप मी एनी टाइम एंड गेट टू कनेक्ट विद दीज स्टूडेंट्स. अगर कूपन कोड चाहिए, इस यूनिवर्सिटी का किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी से कंपैरिजन भी करना है, तो भी आप उनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
This is the admin block, and as you can see, all the administrative work happens over here. And this is our whole campus, such a beautiful lawn. It's filled with greenery inside.
ये अगर हम देखने की कोशिश करेंगे, अगर हम ये दिखाने की कोशिश करें, तो शायद ये टेक पार्क का है. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा, काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल है, जो मुझे बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटी में शायद आपको ना देखने को मिले. ये कुछ वैसा ही है जो बड़ी से बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी और A ग्रेड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में अभी आपको देखने को मिल सकता है. लश ग्रीन कैंपस, आउटिंग के लिए, बच्चों के रिलैक्सेशंस के लिए, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो बच्चे को काफ़ी ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करने वाली हैं, जो काफ़ी, अगर मैं हूँ, अगर एक स्टूडेंट्स या मुझे एडमिशन लेना हो, तो मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी कन्विंस करने वाली है.
So right now we are going to the P3 block where the classrooms everything is held.
So do we have the sports facility also?
Yes, we do have sports facility. We are tied up with Anju Bobby. She is a national player of athletics.
Okay.
We are tied up with her as well. And yeah, again I'll show you the ground part, everything after this. We have a very huge ground and we have all kind of sports here. We are encouraging all kind of sports.
Sports
And
like cricket ground or a football
yes,
ground
we
or
have a cricket ground. Yeah, yes, we have a cricket ground with a turf. And football, basketball, volleyball, everything we have arranged, everything, and indoor sports and outdoor sports both.
Okay, for this sports facility, the students has to pay something extra?
No,
Or
no,
the-
no,
this
no. They
comes
don't
under
have
the
to
fees?
pay anything extra.
Okay,
No, yeah.
okay.
Everything is included in this tuition fees.
What
yeah.
about the crowd here? Means mostly crowd is from the south region, or this is a
We
mix and
have
match
all
crowd?
over India and also Arabian countries also. So like students like Nepal, Saudi Arabia, UAE, many other countries. So yeah. So it's a lunch break now, so the students are outside here.
That is our academics block, which we call the P3.
Okay.
Yes, as you can see, it is right next to Mindtree.
Okay.
L&T Mindtree, which is a corporate organization.
Okay.
So for our MBA students, it is easier for them to get the industry experts.
Do we have the hostel facility also? In the
Absolutely, we
campus?
do have
Okay.
hostel
Okay.
facility.
So this building belongs to what?
So this is our P3 block, which is the academic block. So यहाँ पे classrooms है आपके, and our management sits here. So you can come inside.
And
we'll
what
have
about
a look.
this?
So this is a buggy system,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
जैसे students जो metro station से आते हैं, we have a buggy service
Okay.
for them. They can either travel by bus या फिर
So
buggy
this
में.
is free of cost, I think.
This is absolutely free of cost for the student.
So अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या?
जी, अभी I will show you the classrooms right now. You can see where the classes are held.
अभी यहाँ पे कोशिश करेंगे कुछ क्लासरूम्स दिखाने की, कोशिश करेंगे लैब दिखाने की, कोशिश करेंगे कुछ बच्चों से बात करने की, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस यूनिवर्सिटी. So this is the classrooms which you have to see in the university side. You do have the basic amenities here. You do have the modern facilities also, which you have never seen in most of the universities. क्या है बेटा, थोड़ा सा और बताने की कोशिश
So this is just like a regular classroom where we have two projectors in each classroom, and it's a AC based room. This takes 120 number of capacity of students.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, how many classrooms are here?
In this floor, we have around 20 classrooms right now, but we still have more classrooms coming.
So these are the classrooms which you have to see in this university side. आपको देखने की कोशिश करिए, शायद ऐसे क्लासरूम्स हैं, शायद किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी में इस तरह के क्लासरूम्स आपको दिखाई ना दे.
So this is a sitting area. Since it's a lunch break, our students are just chilling out here. These are all the PG students, MBA students. These students are. Here we have the classrooms on both the sides. Everything is completely AC, and every classroom have a projector. CCTVs in every corner. Everything is secured here. Everything is safe.
This is the most happening place in any of the colleges or the university. Yes, this is a cafeteria where do we have lots of foods, lots of enjoyment. क्या है खासियत इस कैफेटेरिया की? Please tell me something.
So sir, here we have a huge cafeteria where they get food, all kind of food. We have both South Indian, North Indian food, and also we have continental food
So we do
served
have
here.
Veg, non-veg, both foods.
No sir, here only veg.
Only veg.
It's a yoga university. We are providing only veg.
Okay. So this is for the hostel.
Yes, it is for both hostel and day scholars. So,
And what
yeah.
about the food? Means about the hygiene of the food, quality of the food.
The food is prepared in-house. We have the kitchen here only, so
Okay.
it is prepared in-house only.
Let's see the rate,
Yes,
rate
please.
and the menu of the food and the quality of the food
Yes,
along with
sure.
the prices also.
So yeah.
Here is the menu of this. The watermelon juice is 30 rupees. Cold badam is 30 rupees. So this is
This is just today's special. Just
Okay.
like this, we'll have everyday board.
तो ये कुछ कम नहीं दिख रहा prices wise.
Prices wise, yeah, I think it's better because it's a combo offers, no?
Okay, okay.
So yeah,
As compared to other university
Yes.
of the colleges, it is quite nominal.
and that to the university which is located inside the tech park. So I think the price is normal, yeah.
Okay. So this is the thali of the canteen where we have proper veg food, total hygiene, quality of the food is very nice. आप देख सकते हैं, अगर देखने की कोशिश करेंगे तो इसमें पापड़ है, रोटी है, चावल है, रसम है,
Soya.
सोया है, चटनी है, and what is it?
Drumstick, rasam,
So, it is all
drumsticks.
about the South Indian food. कभी यहाँ पे South Indian food मिलेगा, North Indian food मिलेगा, Maharashtrian food मिलेगा, यानी कि मेन्यू हर दिन चेंज होता रहेगा according to the needs and demands of the students. आपको एक मेन्यू दे दिया जाएगा, उस मेन्यू के हिसाब से डेली बेसिस पे चेंज होगा. अगर क्वांटिटी वाइज आप देखने की कोशिश करें तो एकदम क्वालिटी एंड द हाइजीन वाइज काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है थाली. इसको रिकमेंड किया जा सकता है. कुछ और बताना चाहें?
So yeah, this is the veg meals that we provide provide for the students in the afternoon. But we'll changing the menu. The meals will be same, but we'll be changing the recipes.
Okay.
Yeah. For the afternoon, the meals is fixed.
This is the second floor.
We
और
also
यहाँ पे
have
क्या है?
labs and libraries,
Okay, okay.
yeah, and also the
So, this is what?
staff's cabins.
This is what?
Yeah, the labs.
Labs. And where is the library?
Labs.
Library now?
The other side.
Okay, let's come.
Yes. This is the library.
Okay.
We have a very big seating area,
Okay.
and for the books, we have to go this way.
Okay.
For the books, you will have to come here to collect the books. We still have more books coming.
तो फाइनली वी आर विद द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी. इन्हीं से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी के बाद. बेटा कैसा कॉलेज के बारे में बताइए थोड़ा सा.
कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ का फैकल्टी वगैरह बहुत अच्छी है, हमें सारी फैसिलिटीज़ हॉस्टल से भी दी जाती है,
व्हाई यू चूज दिस कॉलेज? क्यों चूज किया आपने?
क्योंकि यहाँ का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है और हमने बाकी इन सब के बारे में रिसर्च की थी, ग्राउंड वगैरह के बारे में, और स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह भी अच्छा है यहाँ पे.
व्हाई यू चूज दिस यूनिवर्सिटी?
Searching for cybersecurity
Okay.
mainly, and because of the campus and their offers, and since this is the first college in the IT part, I heard that they have good placements and everything, so I chose this.
Anything about the strength of the university?
It's a really good strength, not too much, so that they give us equal attention and good studies and everything.
What about the hostel facility?
Yeah, it's so good. We can means so clean. We can treat them as our parents.
Any strength and any weakness of this university? You do have many strength in the university. Already talked to many of the students. They have told me about many of the strength, but no one has told me about the weakness. Any weakness about this university?
Compared, not about weakness, but compared to other college, this is the best one.
Okay.
Which I choose.
In what sense?
In like infrastructure, like faculties, like everything, it's the best.
So these are the students of this university. If you want to connect directly to the students, you do have my number on the screen. You can call me anytime or WhatsApp me anytime, so that I can share you the name and number of these pass out students or the current student, so that you can connect directly to the students and get to know the real feedback of this university. देखिए कई बार ऐसा होगा जो ऑन कैमरा स्टूडेंट्स वो न बता पाए जो आप सुनना चाहते हैं. आप उनके नाम और नंबर लीजिए, आप इनसे डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करिए और पता करिए यूनिवर्सिटी कैसा है, बिकॉज इनसे बेहतर इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में शायद ही कोई आपको बता पाए. सो हर्षिता, प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी.
So, sir, actually, this is we have started in the year of 2024, just last year. But coming to the placements, we have very good contacts with the MNC companies. We have already signed up with this 70.
कॉर्पोरेट में भी बैठे हुए.
Yes, we are already in the tech park. So yeah, we are already connected with all the MNC companies over here, and also we have signed up with the 70 plus companies all around India.
If I'm talking about the on an average package,
It will start around from 4 to 5 lakhs. The CTC will start. I mean, the package will start. Highest package will be around 25 to 30 lakhs. We're tied up with Google, Microsoft, as well many other companies.
so we have another set of students with S. Vyasa University. So please tell me something about this university. Why you take admission in this university? Because you do have many other options in Bangalore city.
There are many other options in Bangalore. I mean, Bangalore, as you've said, but this one seems out to be the best because one, IIM is out of reach. Two, Mesa, yes, that is really good, but out of commoners' reach again. But when it comes to over here, we're being trained to be the best. Instead of being completely academic, we're being told to learn technical knowledge first instead of just not being bookworms. The placements is something that they've given us hopes on. I sincerely believe that they will withhold on their promises.
Average placement.
Average placement right now, the market is going somewhere around 11-12 lakhs. Highest placement is when it comes to any other university, the highest that's been placed over the last 5 years is 13 or 14 lakh per annum. Unless and until it is IIM or ITI, they've reached over more than 20-25. Apart from that, everything's good.
Tell me something about the strength and weakness of this university.
It's absolutely it's a first batch, that itself is a strength for us. When I just came here for an admission, they were very promising. When it comes to internship, I feel no other college where they kept this promise to us, like we would be providing the internship with stipend.
So do we have the PPO also?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. From which company?
No, from Vignation, sir.
Okay.
I'm directly under his wing. He's associated with 20 other companies.
Okay.
So he's already given me an offer about that.
What about the weakness? कोई भी एक ऐसी weakness दो जो आपको लगता है कि ठीक की जा सकती है, जो अभी यहाँ पे ठीक हो सकती है.
See, many college which has come up, so that may be a weakness.
And what about the hostel facility?
Hostel is really good when it comes to food. Everything is really good. So yeah, I have
What about
no.
the pricing of the hostel? Means how much a student was to spend for the hostel facility? 8,000 for the lodging and fooding both, or only for the lodging?
Both.
Okay, for lodging and fooding both 8,000 rupees.
Yes.
पर ये तो काफी सस्ता हो गया मुझे लगता है.
नहीं, वो 4 sharing है ना.
Okay,
Yeah.
good sharing. And
Correct.
what about the twin sharing or the single sharing?
Twin sharing is 12,000. जब 4 sharing होता है तो
Okay, 8,000.
कम होता
What
है.
about the food quality?
Food quality is preferably good.
Can you say
Every day
something about
it's
the
good.
faculty?
Faculty.
Oh, that is something that we take really, we have really good pride on, because we've seen our faculty being associated with the best of the best, and the teaching method itself is so unique, exclusive, and it is on-hands approach while they're completely involved in our learning.
So these are the set of students of S. Vyasa University. अगर आपने डायरेक्टली बात करना है बच्चों से, so you can have my number on the screen 9891898289. You can call me anytime and directly connect to these students so that you can know each and everything about this particular university. अगर किसी की यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ कंपेयर करना है तो भी आप इस नंबर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. If in case you want to fill the form or if in case you want direct name and number of these students of any of the courses, आप हमसे मांग सकते हैं और इसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं so that you can know each and everything about this particular university. Thank you. Thanks a lot.